Good morning. Today is Saturday. I'm probably just gonna vlog today because I don't think I'm doing anything tomorrow. So it's actually not even morning, it's like 1 o'clock right now, but I'm about to vlog today. I'm going, or my family and I are going to go bowling with my grandpa, and then I also have a dance class tonight. So I'm just gonna take you guys with me during my day today. Not really that much going on, but I felt like vlogging today, so I'm gonna be vlogging. So I'm gonna actually start getting ready because technically I should have been started getting ready a little while ago. So I'm probably gonna be late, but I'm late everywhere, so what else is new? But yeah, I'm about to start getting ready so that we could go bowling. And yeah, so let's get ready to go. All right, y'all, we're going bowling. So this my hair, hot ass mess. Yes. All right, I was interrupted, but basically what I was saying is we're just gonna go bowling. So I'm just gonna wear if y'all hear my boyfriend screaming in the background, I told this nigga I was vlogging, but he just rude. So, but anyway, I'm just gonna wear a hat. So I'm just gonna moisturize my hair a little bit because I've been wearing like head wraps for the majority of the week. So my hair kind of dry. Also, if y'all have locks, please, especially if you have dyed locks, just put some moisturizing products in the comments. Because girl, I've been doing better, but my hair still be getting so dry, and I think it's because my locks are bleached, which I know is not good for your hair. Before I had locks, I never really bleached my hair, to be honest. Well, I had dyed my hair, but it wasn't like bleached like it is right now. So I'm just moisturizing it a little bit. I'm gonna put some oil. This is just some oil my loctician gave to me. So I'm gonna put this in my hair. And I'm probably just gonna wear leggings today, for real. Leggings is definitely the way to go. It's an active day today, bowling and then dancing. So yeah, I've been loving my dance classes lately, guys. I never really did dance before. I just started recently, like a year ago probably, but it's a lot of fun. All right, this is my hair moisturized. I'm literally just gonna throw a hat on. So I'm not doing any style, I'm not laying my edges, I'm not doing nothing like that. He ready before me, but I'm about to wear, I might wear his sweater. Let's see.
I don't know why you always wear my clothes.
Let's see how it looks. If this sweater looked too big, I'm probably not gonna wear this. Let's see. I love wearing my man's clothes. He said it don't look too bad, so I'm gonna just wear this and put my hat on. See how this goes. Usually when I put a hat, I wear a ponytail, but today was not that day. This is what I'm wearing for bowling and probably dance too. Let's get ready to go. Look, wait. Show our shoes.
Black socks.
Yeah, it's fine though. It's fine because we're not really doing shit today. Is this black ice? Okay. I'm just making sure. Wait! set my car alarm off because he don't know how to wait to open the door till I click the button.
I said I'll play 3 songs, one from different albums. So I'm gonna start this song over because I'm talking over it. So I'm gonna play one song from 3 different albums. I want you to give me a rating and your reaction to the song. Some of them you probably heard before, some of them you probably haven't.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Bet. That's the first song. Oh, my car dirty.
I need all of mine. I be getting money like all the time. I might drop a baby, don't drown like that. I been running this shit up for a while.
I don't like this song. The song is over.
What did you think?
I didn't like that song.
What do you rate it?
Probably like a 1.
You rated that a 1?
I did not like that song.
That's fucking crazy. That beat switch is probably the best beat switch I've ever heard.
I didn't really like that song.
Anyways.
The next song. I've already heard the song before. I've heard the song before. I like Charlie Wilson though. Alright, I'm gonna give that song an 8 out of 10. I like that song. Yeah, I like that song. It's an 8 out of 10. And I really like the album too. We're here picking up my grandpa right now. Go back. Oh, that's fine. Picking up my grandpa. Let me let him know we outside. Hi, Grandpa. Next song.
Poison, poison, poison.
Oh yeah, I have
For the
heard this
good
song.
kind. It's crazy how you're on my mind. Kinda crazy how you're on my mind. I just changed. It just was a forget. How many?
I rated that song a 7. I forgot to say it. Dang. But yeah, that song was a 7. It was good. It just was a 7. Probably because I heard it so many times. I made it to the bowling alley, but my brother's not here yet, so. Oh, damn. My brother's not here yet, so we just gotta wait for him. Yeah, he's on his way. They took too long to come, so. That shit look ugly. Hey! I don't know what they all dressed up for. We just both. Everybody here. And he got his stupid ass girls on. They don't even look that good. It's like, I don't like it. Okay. Damn, y'all, I forgot to record that one. I forgot to record it. My baby said I bought After I was just talking him up to get a gutter ball.
What?
Okay, crazy.
I didn't even say anything when you did.
I said when I was just talking to him.
Oh.
I was like, well,
It's because I switched.
my baby did I both.
It's because I switched hands. I did my right and then I did my left.
He embarrassed. Tayana making excuses talking about you got nails on. Okay, girl. Just say you can't bowl.
She gonna do better this time, I hope. You gonna do better this time? Get at least 1 pin. I see you.
I think that was heavy.
Don't make no excuses now.
Did you get a strike?
Taina, you got a strike. You good?
Oh, damn. Okay. She got a strike. back, so I gotta outshow her now.
It's grandpa time.
Okay, Grandpa. He took the hat off.
Yeah, he
get
get real
real
serious.
He don't play no games about the bowl. I was trying to find a better ball, but I can't find one. So
I like it though.
it is what it is. But if I lose, just know it was the ball. It wasn't me.
We on a long road to self-destruction. You were so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this pill, 'cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much.
I told y'all he was good at bowling.
I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. But yeah, let's party on.
How everybody getting a strike but me? What's going on with that?
You need to tee up. It's family of winners.
Hey. He's trying to say I'm not part of the family. What?
Word of my sister.
Don't put nothing on me. Don't put it.
If I don't get it right, sorry what happened to my sister.
What I do? Let's see how he do. And just to let y'all know, ain't nothing finna happen to me. Dang! Okay. I see you. I see you.
I don't like how these niggas so good.
Apparently, I'm the worst bowler.
This is bad for me. I like bowling.
Apparently, I'm the worst bowler, so I'm losing bad too.
They come here and take your place. Couldn't keep my love, you too excited. Yeah. Want a paper plane, I'm the one. Yeah. Wonder why your girl always wanna be your girl. Yeah.
Hey, word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the
Grandpa beat us last time too. Remember that?
Yeah.
He beat us last time too, so I'm not really shocked or surprised by that. We just came back from bowling, but I'm not trying to go straight home, so we better just stop at this store DTLR, see what they got in there.
We could go out. We can do some more stuff, you know?
We don't gotta do too much. I'm just saying, I just don't want to go straight home. That's kind of boring. So we gotta do DTLR. They opened a new Jamaican spot downtown here too, called Uncle Benny's. And I don't really want to eat out that much, but I also want to try Uncle Benny's. So
She be contradicting herself all the time.
we'll see.
Where's all these cars? God damn.
I know everybody and their mama at the damn plaza today.
This is the most packed I've ever seen this lot.
And this car obviously don't care because they going a little bit too fast. The fuck?
So fuck down, bitch.
She gotta be all that.
I'm just kidding.
There's some cute stuff in here, but I'm not trying to vlog too much because too many people in here, so yeah. Ooh.
Shit is messy, boy.
All right, y'all. We back. We went to the Jamaican spot. We gotta show you our food though. Look, y'all, they packed this shit to the brim. Look at mine. And this is a small.
I would lift this up, but it's messy. I'm not trying to touch it. But
Oh, this one.
this is the most I do. I ain't lifting up. I was already in a mess. Just
Let me see if I can
handling
show
this.
y'all. Okay, I tried. I tried. All right, y'all. We about to eat. Oh, we got some cakes too. We got carrot cake and what's that called? Red velvet.
Right, okay.
Yup. Just trying
You want to switch?
No. Why?
I'm left-handed. You act like you didn't notice. I've been with you for 3
All right,
years.
come on. Hurry up.
Niggas don't know me. Oh my god.
I'm ready to eat. This always happens.
You choose to sit on the left side.
We
I
always have
choose
to end
sit
up
on the-
switching. It doesn't make sense.
I always like to sit on
Because
the
he's
left
a
side.
lefty. Now that we got that out of the way, I can enjoy my food. So, we've been together, or no, we've been living together now, guys, for like, how long?
I don't know.
June, July, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. For 4 months now. How you feeling?
Good. How you feeling?
I feel good.
Wonderful, spectacular, fantastic.
Let me try some. What?
I'm trying to eat. Stop.
Let me try some.
Eat your food. Stop.
But the whole reason was so that we could share. Let me try some. I'm gonna just take this whole one right here.
That might have been the juiciest piece I had.
Happy. Y'all see how stingy he is?
You playing in my food.
I should have got oxtail, y'all. Damn. I got curry goat. He got oxtail. I should have got the oxtail. But this is still good. Anyway, we've been living together for like, what I said, 4 months? But we've been together for how long?
3 years,
Exactly.
roughly.
Our 3-year anniversary coming up next month.
We've known each other for about 3 years now.
We met in the day after Valentine's Day in 2020.
I told her when we first met that you could have been my Valentine's if I met you sooner.
The day before. But yeah,
I would have treated her real nice. You know what I'm saying?
he do treat me good. But we've been together basically since the day we met, so that's why we say 3 years. Because basically.
Pretty much. Like, I was taking her on dates since we met.
I took you on a few dates.
Where?
A few times. To a few places. Y'all see how he do me?
You took me or I took you?
I took you out some time before. Don't
I
act
don't
like I
think you
never.
really, nah, you didn't really start taking me out
Until we was locked in for real. That's how you gotta do it. You can't just be treating these niggas all willy nilly. That's so good.
Melts in your mouth.
I should have got the oxtail.
If I could eat bones, I would. But I can't. But I would if I could.
That's funny that you say that because y'all, when he be eating chicken wings, I be hearing crunching, and I'm like, the chicken is not that crispy.
Yeah, don't need to worry about that.
The chicken is not that crispy. He be chewing on the bones. I'm like, are you kidding me? What?
Are we chewing on a bone, man?
It looks like, honestly, y'all, I got a small, and it looks like I got more food than he did.
I said that. It was like your shit. Mine looked
Because
good.
2 different people
There's a
packed
point.
our plates. I think that's why. The lady who packed my plate was very nice and sweet. The lady
Very
who packed...
fucking generous. Damn.
She was
I thought she was gonna do mine too.
I know. We should have waited. I should have told her both of the plates. Now we know who to go to next time.
She could have threw a couple more scoops in here. I would have been like, let me get some more.
You want some more rice?
Hmm?
You want some more rice?
That's my oxtail.
I want some more oxtail too. She's
Matt, give me some goat.
You want to switch them?
Hmm?
So you want to switch with me?
We can switch.
I was just going to put some on here. Oh.
Yeah, give me a couple.
We switching.
You know, we was gonna share anyways, so it don't even matter.
Exactly. I don't know why. I got way
Sharp
more.
ass bones. Sorry.
They are.
I'm about to pick out all the bones right now. I don't like eating and then finding out there's bones in my meat.
I mean, I just want to eat. This is busting. But yeah, y'all, we moved in 4 months ago, and our apartment still is not done. Like, we still have to get a bunch of stuff. We gotta do decorations. We need some more storage.
We got a lamp.
Finally, because there's not a lot of lighting in here, so
We only got that just like a week ago.
yeah. We got it off I think we got it off Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp.
You got it. I don't know.
I don't know. But we need a new I know y'all be seeing sometimes in my videos the little plastic bins right there. We have to get a TV stand. We just haven't gotten one yet. Don't be eating up all my meat now. How you like that?
You don't just see all that meat still there?
It's not enough meat. I don't want that much rice. I like the
I'm
veggies.
eating more of the rice than I am of the meat, so I can leave you some.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm gonna show y'all the cakes we got too. Low key, you like red velvet cake or no?
Yeah.
Alright, because we about to split these cakes. We're not gonna eat them right now, but we'll probably eat them later. Cause we got some edibles, y'all. Y'all know. If you watch my other vlogs, y'all know we like our edibles, so we about to play a game. What?
She got me into it.
Cause you need to. Ooh, you making me sound like a bad influence. I'm kidding. But he needs to relax sometimes. That's all. You like the edibles? You like edibles?
Mm-hmm.
He just needs to relax sometimes. I don't know how people go through life without marijuana.
I don't really like to smoke.
I don't want to deal with like the smell or nothing like that. So we just do edibles because it's easier. And it don't smell. It don't stink up our house.
Way less of a footprint. You could easily
And that's
just
a
take
nice
it.
cocktail.
I'll save it. For
No, it's good. You can eat
open
it.
up the thing. I'll put it in there.
You sure?
Yeah. No, I got you.
He love me. Thank you.
What?
Alright. Can you grab some more now? We are a mess. Damn.
The food was quite messy.
It was real messy, but it was good, huh? Don't you think?
Yeah, I thought it was worth it.
Yeah.
$40 he paid.
Yeah, we paid
You
$40.
should have been like fucking Keith Lee in this bitch. And just,
We should have did a food review.
I'd rate that curry goat
What do you rate it?
9 out of 10.
Me too. I would say the oxtail was a 10 though. The oxtail was a 10 out of 10. All right, on my way to my dance class. It's like 6:20 right now. So we got to be there by 7. I'm doing it with my mom, and my brother's girlfriend. So I'm about to go pick them up because I'm the one that's mostly been doing dance classes. So I know where the location is at. So it's probably easier if I take them there. So I'm about to meet them. And, well, not meet them. I'm about to pick them up so we could all ride together. But I'm excited. I think we're doing like a street jazz type of thing. So I'll try to record. Well, I won't try. I will record some of it so I can show y'all.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my baby, sending action. These days no kumaye, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty middle, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I D.I.E.
of our dance class. How was it?
It was great. I was hopping and locking.
It was super fun. So I'm about to go home now. Well, I'm about to drop them off. Go home. It's cold out here. It's dark out here. It's like 8 o'clock at night. Past my bedtime. So I'm kidding. Ooh. Time to go. Good morning. It's the next day. Last night I forgot to close out my vlog, so I'm just here to close it out now. Once we got back from my dance class, I didn't really do much. Trey and I, we took some edibles like we had said earlier. We played that game, It Takes Two. So that's pretty much what I did for the rest of the day. I'm not really doing anything today, so I'm not vlogging today. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any video suggestions, definitely leave those down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video or vlog, whichever it is. But bye, y'all.